Welcome back. Today, we'll explore the SpecTree Quick-Action Panel, a simple way to turn your initial drafts into polished, professional IT specifications. Let's start with format text. Whether you're working with loose ideas or raw voice notes, this feature instantly organizes them into a clear, structured document. Moving further down to elaborate details. This is where SpecTree goes beyond formatting to analyze the technical core of your requirements. As we trigger the engine, it identifies the underlying data logic to build a complete DB schema. Notice how it maps out the entity-relationship model, automatically linking users, bookings, and transactions with the correct relational logic. It handles the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. Moving further down, we reach what many call our, quote, killer feature of the tool, what's missing. Think of this as having a senior architect by your side throughout the SDLC. Instead of just formatting, SpecTree now audits your work for critical edge cases. It asks the tough questions. Did we miss the password recovery flow? How should the system behave if the API goes offline? These insights can be explored further in the chat to refine every detail. With SpecTree, you don't just write specs, you build bulletproof documentation. Give the Quick Action Panel a try.